Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bitcoin update today, and this is going to be something very important that I want to talk about. And there's some few logics that I want to remove out of the way, and it's important for you guys to understand, especially for the newbies, especially even if you're intermediate trader, you really need to listen to what I'm about to tell you, right? There is something known as accumulation and there's something known as distribution. We all know that when the price move up like this, you start distribution to go down. And when the prices move down, you start accumulation to go back up, right? It's simple as that. With that being said, when you are in a distribution, now what is a distribution? A head and shoulder can be a distribution. You have left shoulder, you have the head, you have the right shoulder. All of this thing is a distribution, and in accumulation you have inverse head and shoulders, where this is your left shoulder, the right shoulder, and then the head, and the price is reversed to the upside. Now, when in an accumulation zone and you have this inverse head and shoulders or falling wedge, you can have a dump and a pump and a dump again and a pump and a dump, right? And then you go up and then you dump, until you don't finally go to the upside. And when you are in the distribution zone, which is normally to go down, you will have pump within a distribution, right? Now that's the key word here. You can have a pump in a distribution. Right now, with that being said, I've just made it easy for you to understand. I can easily say, come on guys, isn't it true this is a left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder? It's very clear as the moon that this is a head and shoulders. Is it invalidated? Hell no, it's not. Number one, it's not even invalidated. Is it in the forming? Yes, it's in the forming, right? So it is not invalidated, it is forming, and also it is not in play. It is not like it is in play just yet. We have to break the neckline actually to make it come up to the play. It's not even in play right now, but it is in the formation. The structure is formed, and that's it. So right now, the pump that you saw is within a distribution pattern. Maybe if Bitcoin actually goes up to $104,000, I could actually start to think about Bitcoin going up for good. We might actually even see Bitcoin actually going to 100. If you make it to $108,000, that will actually mean Bitcoin is back in the game. Okay, for me personally, at least. But right now, when you are having this distribution pattern, and I'm gonna zoom in, I'm gonna show you that I've been drawing this, and draw it very, very clearly. For example, this trend line right now is where Bitcoin has actually just pumped up to. So you have resistance going on in here. So you have one touch, rejection down, one touch, rejection down, and another touch is coming up. And be careful, because in the next 1 hour 45 minutes this candle is looking a little bit bearish, because you probably may have that shooting star doji next to that resistance, and this means that it is from here. It is actually from here where you can actually see Bitcoin going down. So if this is the left shoulder, if this is the head here, and this is the right shoulder, at least destroy this right shoulder to start to have a positive movement. So maybe if you destroy that right shoulder, then I might actually think about Bitcoin pushing up, because you are about to invalidate the whole distribution pattern. So we're close. Can it happen? Who knows? I don't know. Can it not happen? I don't know either. But I think I'm on the I'm on the side of this thing coming down again, because there's so many reasons. I'm not going to go through one by one. It's going to be a long story. But let's see, all right? I could still be wrong, and if we try to get above $103,000, then that is a very positive sign. But right now, it is still not a good thing. There is a difference between a stop hunt, and there's a difference between a trend reversal. This is still not a trend reversal, unfortunately. Maybe I think it is more of a stop loss hunt more than a trend reversal to go back up. I hope this makes clear, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.